What's up, guys? I hope you're well. Today we were checking out Gabriel Henrique covering Human Nature by Michael Jackson. Let's get into it, shall we?
Waking up across the night time, the city wink is sleep as I hear her voice shake my window, sweet seducing sound. Get my heart into the night time, for walls won't hold me tonight. If this town is just an apple, then let me take a bite. If they say right, telling that it's human nature, right, does he do me that way? If they say right, telling that it's human nature, right, does he do me that way? Reaching out, touch a stranger, electric eyes are everywhere. See that girl, she knows our words. She likes the way I stare. If they say right, telling that it's human nature, right, does he do me that way? If they say right, telling that it's human nature, right, does he do me that way? I like it living this way, I like it loving this way. That's way. If they say right, telling that it's human nature, right, does he do me that way? If they say right, ooh, right, does he do me that way? If they say right, telling that it's human nature, right, does he do me that way? If they say right, telling that it's human nature, right, does he do me that way? Right, telling that it's human nature, right, does he do me that way? Right, right, I like it living this way, I like it loving this way.
Can we say nailed it? He absolutely nailed that one. Perfect rendition of that Michael Jackson song. And I knew he would nail it because it's Gabriel Henrique, and he always hits Michael Jackson songs right on the head of the nail. That was absolutely stunning, beautiful, chilling, all those words. Beautiful, luxurious, amazing. That is Gabriel Henrique, and he is awesome, fantastic. Oh my God, I just keep going listing words. That was very beautiful, very heartwarming, very lovely. Let me know if you guys have seen the Michael movie. I have yet. I think I'm just going to wait for it to come out on streaming and just watch it at home. I'm not a big fan of movie theaters personally, but Let me know if you've seen it. Let me know what you thought of it. No spoilers. Just kidding. But man, Gabriel he did it again. He just left me stunned and speechless. I kind of feel like this may be better than the original. I was sitting there closing my eyes, listening, and I'm like, he sounds so much like Michael. It's insane. So crazy how much he sounds like Michael Jackson. I loved it a lot. I thought that was incredible. I hope you guys loved it too. But man, oh man, Gabriel with another 10 out of 10 song. Absolutely stellar. Absolutely perfect. Absolutely lovely. That being said, I want to thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.